Hi, it's Nicole again with more foil fun. In this video, we'll use the Cricut image library to find designs for this foiled home decor piece. Let's open up Design Space. In Images, we can search Mandala and use the Draw and Cut filter. There is a whole set of these beautiful multicolored mandala images. I'm going to select this crescent moon. Once it is on the canvas, we can see each layer associated with this image. I will select the blue one and make sure that it is set to the opaque gel pen in blue. Next, I want to change the white layer to the foil operation type under the top edit bar. Here, I can select the thickness of the foil tip. For this one, I want the medium tip and silver. Then I'll select the yellow layer and change it to the bold foil tip in gold. If it isn't already attached, make sure it is all attached to maintain the placement. I increased the size to 11.5 inches for a more impactful piece. Since I am making it this large, I will need to make sure I do this on the correct machine. Don't forget to save your project and share it with the Cricut community. Since my project is the full mat, I'm going to move 2 of my star wheels all the way to the left and 2 all the way to the right. Otherwise, they will leave a pattern of dots where they hit the foil. Load your mat with your material of choice. I'm using Cricut Black Craft Board so that the foil design really pops. The machine will do our draw lines first and then pause to add the foil, so we can load the pen and the foil tip before inserting the mat. Once the pen portion is done, the mat will automatically unload partially. Do not unload it fully. Follow the prompts to place the correct foil color for your project. Since my project is so large, I need the full sheet of the 12 by 12 inch foil. Starting at the upper part of the mat, tape down the foil sheet. Careful not to cover any areas to be foiled with the tape. Next, tape the foil down along the bottom edge, pulling it taut. Repeat with the sides, keeping the foil as tight as possible to prevent snagging. Once it is taped down all the way around with no gaps, press the flashing button. Follow the prompts in Design Space to switch foil and tips. Once the machine is done, it will partially unload the mat to allow you to remove the used foil and either place the next foil sheet or to move on to the cut. Once all of your foiling is done, the machine will pause again to allow you to remove the foil sheet and switch out the foil housing for the blade housing, if your project has cut lines. When removing your project from the mat, flip the mat over and roll it away from your project, keeping in mind that the foil process may have pressed your material onto the mat a little more than non-foil projects. If the foil transferred in any unwanted areas, you can use an eraser to gently rub away the foil. As you can see, we got a beautiful effect from the foil in just a few steps. See you next time.